For games.
I caught a bad, very bad case of the sniffles from him. Achoo! I'll go next.
Ground pepper, mademoiselle?
It makes me...
Oh, allow me.
I have to sneeze. You clever, cute little... Achoo!
Rocco! Rocco!
Achoo!
Who's a good worm?
Here, Gilbert!
Achoo! That's a fantastic idea. Achoo! Sorry. Wait till we get out there and... Achoo!
Some quality time together.
Achoo! Yeah, I can't wait.
What was that?
Nothing? It wasn't a sneeze, if that's what you're thinking.
Are you okay, Misery?
Of course. I wouldn't be here if I was sick or anything.
Misery?
Sorry.
I have to sneeze. I gotta go.
Misery is sick, but trying to hide it.
I'm not sick. You can't hijack this train. Not only did he get knocked out the window, but he has a pretty good chance of getting large pox. Not everyone can handle the symptoms.